Hello everyone and welcome back to channel. And I'm thrilled to be joining you all for today's video. Today I would like to introduce the saguaro, a massive cactus species and an icon of the southwestern United States, primarily found in the Sonoran Desert in Arizona and Mexico. They are nicknamed the desert giant due to their impressive size. They can reach heights of 12 to 18 meters and weigh several tons when fully hydrated. The saguaro cactus is one of the most recognizable and known plant species in North America. With its tall, skyward-reaching silhouette and distinctive arms, it is the quintessential image of the American West landscape. Cacti have evolved unique mechanisms to survive in arid conditions, including transforming leaves into spines to minimize water loss, storing massive amounts of water in the stem, and performing chem photosynthesis crassulation acid metabolism to only open stomata at night. A saguaro can reach a height of 12 to 18 meters, 40 to 60 feet, and weigh over 2 tons when fully saturated with water. Their average lifespan is 150 to 200 years, with some living even longer. The saguaro cactus is endemic to the Sonoran Desert in North America. Their range extends across southern Arizona, a small part of southeastern California, and the states of Sonora and Baja California. Saguaro are sensitive to frost and cannot survive at elevations higher than about 1,200 meters, around 3,500 feet, where temperatures often drop too low. The stem has a porous, sponge-like tissue structure, allowing it to absorb and store a tremendous amount of water, which helps it survive prolonged droughts. The pleats on the stem expand when the plant absorbs water and contract when it runs low. The saguaro is not just a plant, it is an integral part of the Sonoran Desert ecosystem, serving as a home and life source for many animal species. Gila woodpeckers and gilded flickers, they drill nesting holes into the stems with their sturdy beaks. After the woodpeckers leave, these holes are called saguaro boots and become nesting sites or shelters for other species. Elf owls. The world's smallest owl often uses abandoned tree hollows for nesting. Saguaro fruit. Their fruit ripens in the early summer around June, is bright red, contains thousands of tiny black seeds, and has sweet, edible pulp. The fruit is a crucial food source for many birds, bats, squirrels, and insects. For the Tohono O'odham tribe, the saguaro is not just a plant but a relative. The saguaro fruit is an important food source. They harvest the fruit to make syrup, jam, and wine, using them in annual traditional ceremonies to pray for rain, marking the beginning of their calendar year. Saguaro flowers bloom in late spring and early summer, around May to June. The flowers typically open at night and wilt by the following afternoon. The flowers are creamy white, funnel-shaped, about 8-12 centimeters, 3 to 5 inches in diameter, and grow at the apex of the trunk and arms. Because the flowers bloom at night and wilt during the day, saguaro requires nocturnal and early morning pollinators. The lesser long-nosed bat is the most effective and important pollinator. Bats are attracted by the fragrance and nectar at night. When the bat dips its head into the flower to lick the nectar, pollen adheres to its fur and face, which is then transferred to the flower of another saguaro plant. This is a crucial symbiotic relationship, and a decline in the bat population could severely impact saguaro reproduction. Nocturnal insects, such as moths and early morning bees, also contribute to the process, though they are less effective than bats. Cross-pollination between different saguaro plants is mandatory because most are self-incompatible, requiring pollen from another plant to produce fruit. And that concludes our fascinating look at the saguaro, a silent giant of the desert. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. I hope this presentation has given you a deeper insight into this extraordinary species. Thank you very much.